Hi, it's Joan Butts. This week, I'd like you to look at the hand I've given you, and it's all about deciding what to open it in the first place. 15, 16 or 17 points in a 5-3-3-2 shape, when your 5-card suit is a major, are often best opened with one-note trump. The reason is that if you open the major, let's say you have 5 hearts, 15 or 16 points, 2 spades, 5 hearts, 3 diamonds and 3 clubs, and you open 1 heart and partner bids 1 spade, you're very badly positioned to make an accurate rebid. Whereas if you open one-note trump in the first place, you've got the hand and the shape and the point count off your chest. And we're also very good at responding to one-note trump openings. So try it and see. I'm about to start some new Zoom courses and we'll advertise those, and I hope that you'll be able to come. Also, have a look at my big day in. It's going to be a lot of fun. 2 lessons with me in the morning, a game with you and the people who are playing in my day in the afternoon, and then a wrap up where I'll go through some of the hands you've played, the hands that relate to the lessons in the morning, and we'll have a drink online. Have a good week, everyone. 2 passes to us. What do we open this hand? We've got 15 high card points, 5-3-3-2 shape, and a nice 5th heart. We can add an extra point for the length in hearts. Do we open at 1 heart or do we open one-note trump? From a rebid point of view, it'll work a lot better to open this hand with one-note trump, because if we open 1 heart and partner bids, say, 1 spade, we've got problems with our rebid. We're too strong to rebid one-note trump. We've only got 5 hearts, not 6, to show hearts again. We've only got 3 spades and we're too strong to just raise to 2 spades. We're sort of stuck. So let's try one-note trump in the first place, and that will tell partner we've got 15 to 17 and a balanced shape. They're showing at least 5 spades and they're transferring. We accept the transfer by bidding 2 spades. And now they've made a game force. They've shown a 2nd suit. We should bid 4 spades. This is actually a weaker hand than 3 spades. Because we're in a game force, to jump straight to game is slightly weaker than to go 3. So that's what we'll bid, 4 spades. And let's look at the winners and losers. And just because there might be 3 losers doesn't mean we've got 10 tricks. On this hand, we'll have 1 diamond loser. There's 1 deep club loser at the moment after we win the ace and the king. 1 heart loser, the ace. And we don't know how many spade losers because we're missing the queen, the 10, the 8 and the 7. So in terms of making 10 tricks, we'd hope to make 4 spade tricks, 4 heart tricks, 2 club tricks, and we might even definitely will make a diamond trick, but we're not sure how to play the trumps at this stage. They're switching to a club. Win the king and play the ace of trumps and see what's going on in the trump suit. We need them to break 3-2. And they are breaking 3-2. That means that the queen is a winner, so don't touch trumps because they're going to win their queen anyway. Let's start our heart play. We're promoting hearts. And now they're playing a diamond. We're not worried because we simply play our hearts and let them trump when they want to. Now they're playing a diamond. They've trumped. There are no trumps out. We have the rest of the tricks. We can choose to trump here, win the ace of trumps, play a spade, and the heart that we established is a winner. So 10 tricks were made. The bidding was the main help to get us to 4 spades on this hand. Opening one no trump on the 5-3-3-2 is recommended because it makes later bidding easy.